Good morning, students. Welcome to online class 7th standard science. Today we are going to see about cell biology. In previous class we discussed about plant cell and animal cell. Today we see nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It is the largest organelle. Next, ribosomes. Ribosome is a minute particle consisting of RNA. That is, they synthesis polypeptides and proteins. Next, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm includes all living parts of cell within the cell membrane but excluding the nucleus. Next one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules and aids involved in protein and lipid synthesis. Next one is Golgi bodies. It is a complex of vessels and folded membranes. It involved in secretion and intracellular transport. Then mitochondria. Mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell. The organelles, they make most of the cell supply of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. It is a molecule that cells use as a source of energy. So the main job is to convert energy, is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Students, now we see the diagram plant cell. In plant cell, we see the cell wall, then inside it mitochondria. This one is endoplasmic reticulum. This one is nucleus. Inside the nucleus, you see the nucleolus. Then this is the main one, Golgi apparatus, and here it is the chloroplast. Here mitochondria. Next, this is animal cell. In animal cell, you see here the mitochondria. Then this is nucleus, nucleolus. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here you observe the Golgi bodies, and animal cell, you see the centrioles. Then this is cytoplasm and plasma membrane also. Next, specialized cell and their structure, function. Here the specialized cell. First one is, you see the epithelial cells. That is, they are mostly flat and columnar in shape. So what is the function? They cover the surface of the body for protection, is called as epithelial cells. Next one is muscle cells. Muscle cells means they are long and spindle shaped. So they can contract and relax, allowing the cell for movement. Next one is nerve cells. Nerve cells means the body of nerve cells is branched with an elongated nerve fiber. And what is the function? The nerve cells are specialized to carry and conduct messages. For what purpose? To coordinate the function of the body. So nerve cells only conduct messages. Next one is RBC, that is red blood cells. Round, biconcave and disc shaped. Its function is it carry oxygen and collect carbon dioxide from various parts of the body. These are specialized cells: epithelial cells, nerve cells, muscle cells, and RBCs. Next we are going to see about stem cells. What is meant by stem cells? Stem cells are amazing today in technology because they can divide and multiply, while at the same time with their ability to develop into any other type of cell. They can develop into any other type of cell. This is special character. Here the embryonic stem cells are very special because as they become absolutely any type of cell in the body. For example, blood cell, nerve cells, muscle cell or gland cell. So they are utilized by the scientists and medicos to cure and prevent some disease like spinal cord injury. So human cells applications are more in technology. Next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria is an oval or rod-shaped double membrane bounded organelle. So it is here the aerobic respiratory reactions are takes place in mitochondria only and to release energy also. So it is known as powerhouse of the cell. So the energy produced within the mitochondria is used for all metabolic activities of the cell. Here you see ATP synthesis. Here porins are also seen in mitochondria. Here matrix, these are matrix. Here granules are seen. Then mitochondrial DNA, ribosomes, inner membrane, outer membrane are seen. Next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast structure. Chloroplasts are called as what? Food producers. Only because the only plants with chloroplasts are able to do for what purpose? Photosynthesis. Because they contain the very important green pigments. Chlorophylls can absorb radiant energy from the sun and convert it to the chemical energy, which can be used by the plants and animals. So animal cells lack chloroplasts, are unable to do photosynthesis. Plants only have chlorophyll, so do the photosynthesis process. Next topic is Golgi complex. That is, here see the structure. Golgi complex means these are membrane bounded sac-like structures or attached on top of the other associated secretory vesicles are seen on collectively known as Golgi complex. Functions are production of secretory substances and for packaging and secretion. Here see, coming the transport vesicles, cisternates are present, folded one. Then we become the vesicles, forming vesicles, and secretory vessels are also seen. So the change in the color and taste of fruits, this is secret because of secretion process. Next one is centrioles. Centrioles means they are generally found close to the muscles and are made up of tube-like structures. Centrioles or centrosomes are present only in animal cells. This is one important point, and they are absent in plant cells. It helps in secretion of chromosomes during cell division. Here you see the radial fibers, this one is connecting fibers, and triplet microtubules are seen. So centrioles are seen only in animal cells. It is absent in plant cells. Their function is it helps in the separation of chromosomes when during cell division. Next one is endoplasmic reticulum. It is, see the structure, it is the inner membranous network made up of flat or tubular sacs. Where it is found? It is found within the cytoplasm in the cells. Here the endoplasmic reticulum are two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. See here the structure. Here the nucleus also seen. Inside the nucleus you see the observe the nucleolus. Here you see the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and this one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Inside between the nucleus the nuclear pores are also seen. In between these ribosomes also observed. Next one is nucleus. Which one is called as the brain of the cell means nucleus. Here see the structure. Inside the nucleus you can observe the nucleolus. In outside you see the nuclear pores also. This one is the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, you observe the nuclear pores. Then inside it fibrils also seen. Inside it chromatin diffused. Inside the nucleus chromatins are diffusers. Then karyoplasm also seen. Karyoplasm means nucleus. Inside it granules are also observed and chromatin condensed here. Condensed chromatin also seen. Then nucleolus. So what is the function? The nucleus function, it controls all the processes and chemical reactions that takes place inside the cell. Inheritance of character from one generation to other generation. Next one is RBC. RBCs means red blood cells do not contain a nucleus. Without a nucleus, these cells die quickly. So, 2 million red blood cells die every second. So, the body produces new red blood cells every day. This is RBC. Another one is cell blood BC. RBCs, then red blood copper cells and white blood copper cells also. Next one is lysosome. Lysosomes are called as suicidal bags. So the lysosomes, you see the in outside membrane, and inside it you can observe hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes only help the lysosome to digest the enzymes and products. So they are called as suicidal bags. Then outside they have transport proteins also seen. Thank you.